Hello, welcome to Shri Electronics and Embedded Solutions Coimbatore. So this is the new kit of 24 volt and as well as this is a dual voltage hub motor. First time we are launching this kit. So it will work on 24 volt 250 watts as well as 36 volt 350 watts bicycle conversion kit. So this hub motor consists of, we have total set of kit. So without battery, this coming without battery. So this is in the name of KHETAAN brand we are distributing this kit, but this is the purely imported kits. So we offering for this kit with brand warranty. Okay, so you can directly online, you can place an order from our online store. So 24/7 our online website will be on. So we are accepting each and every order. Once the order will be received, so we will dispatch immediately and we can share you the slip according to your WhatsApp numbers. Okay, so if you having any doubts or clarification, so we have the proof of dispatching video. So kindly, if any customers are asking whether your company will dispatch the material or not, so if you have any doubts, you can directly in our website we have each and every thing. So for tracking the shipment we have separate link. So in that courier you can track each and every parcel moves. Okay, so and as well as we have the proof of dispatching video. There we are dispatching the previous our orders, how they are dispatching and how the courier details can be sent to the customer can be. It is a 3 to 5 minutes video. You can just go and watch and you can give the orders. So we having around 12 to 13 years of experience in this field. So mostly we distribute this e-bike and the e-bicycle hub motors at very fine quality and as well as the very good price all over India. If you go, you can just visit our website, then only our price will show you the how the kit will be cost when compared to the market prices. Okay, so we giving you the very good discount rate for all the kits. So you can make use of the offer, and right now for all the orders we have easy EMI options are available. So you can make use of the orders and you can we have UPI transaction and credit card, debit card, and you having the voucher kind of activities, like you can pay it from Amazon Pay or something like that. So check out our options in that payment checkout card. You can easily identify it. So now let's move on to the video. So this is the total kit of normal cycle to an electrical cycle. So basically we having two variants of cycles. So first thing will be the normal cycle. So and second thing will be the fat tire cycle. So this hub motor will only suitable for normal cycle all models. Either it is a geared or non-geared. This motor can be perfectly suitable. So this motor will be 36 spokes hub motor, pure copper winding, distributed in the name of KHETAAN brand. So first time we are this kit in our website. This is the fastest selling and the hot selling product of this this month. This kit. So this kit consists of totally all the accessories. So in our video, so don't skip the video. You can watch fully. Then only you can easily understood each and every connections and also the testing and demo. Okay, so now let's move on to the video. So totally our video consists of full kit details. So second thing will be the connection, third thing will be the testing and demo. So now let's move on to the first section of this is full kit details. Okay, so this is the brand new hub motor. Within the name you can easily identify this. So this is the Vesti U. Okay, Vesti U, but it is distributed in the name of KHETAAN. Okay, in the side you can easily identify the barcode. See here it will be mentioned 2436. Okay, the serial number itself can identify. It can work on 2436. And also we having 36 port. This is the pure SS copper winding hub motor. Okay, so distributed. Okay, so this is the heavy hub motor. And second thing will be the controller. So this controller is a multifunction controller. It can work 24, 36 as well as 48 volt controller. So within the amps rating of 14 amps. Here it is mentioned 250. So don't worry, it can work up to 350 watts. Okay, your doubts why this 250 mentioned. because we have tested all the kits. It will work on 350 watts. Okay, and next thing will be the two-sided brake we are giving, left and right brakes we are providing, and the multifunction throttle, 3-function throttle, power key switch. So first thing will be the power key switch, second thing battery indication. Here it can identify the battery levels, either empty or full. Okay, and third thing it will be the acceleration. So this is the 3-function throttle. The other side, left side, we have headlight cum horn switches are there. You need to for night times or early morning times you can make use of the headlight and as well as horn switch. Okay, and the third thing will be this is the headlight cum horn. You can fit in the front of your bicycle. Okay, this is having the clamp mounting, you can easily fit. Okay, so this is the mounting screws for hub motor, and final thing will be the speed assist sensor. So this will gives you the how the speed can be achieved. So this speed assist sensor we will providing along with this kit. Okay, so these are all the total accessories that we are going to provide along with this kit. Okay, so now let's move on to the video of second segment, that is connection video. So coming to the connection video, so coming to this hub motor, so we having the huge wire is coming. So here lot of doubts once you receive the parcel. Okay, so this particular part it will be separately we have. Okay, why? Because if any problem, so this is the connector here, so this wire, the one side wire will be there, you need to connect it accordingly. Why? Because if any problems to the hub motor, you can easily remove this wire and you can remove the hub motor alone. Why? Because if any problem comes, so we can remove this part alone separately. So for that purpose we mentioned this connector. So for don't confuse whether this wire is cutting or something like that, it is not like that. Okay, so for the video here we are providing, we are inserted and we put a tape over and we Teflon roll will be inserted. So if you want you can take it or otherwise you can put a tape roll over there. Okay, so coming to this connection, so here in the controller we have 3 colors, so yellow to yellow, blue to blue and green to green. Here you need to connect the motor wiring, 3-phase wiring. Okay, and the next thing will be the coming to the throttle part. We have 3 sections of wire. So this thing will be the this is the battery indication, the gray, orange to yellow. This orange to yellow will be the battery indication, and here red to white will be the power key switch, and here 3-function wire will be the going for acceleration, red to red, green to green and black to black. Okay, and here coming to the power supply connection, so the red wire indicate positive, black indicates the negative. Either you should give positive 24 volt, negative 24 volt, plus 36 volt and minus 36 volt. Either it can give the both the voltages. Okay, and next thing will be the left and right brakes. So here red and black, sorry, yellow and black, there is 2 set of connectors from the controller, yellow and black. You need to connect it accordingly, yellow to blue and black to red. Here black to red and yellow to this blue. Okay, this is for the brake. And the next side will be the, you can intermediate connecting with 2 switches, that is horn switch and headlight cum horn. Okay, headlight cum horn switch. So this will be, it is connected to this particular wire is directly coming from headlight cum horn switch. So here black to yellow and red to black and white to blue, you need to connect it accordingly. So don't worry, this connector, if you are going to reverse also, this is not possible. Once you are inserted properly, then only this color will match it accordingly. Okay, don't worry for the connections. So this is a connector to connector connections. Okay, so this yellow to blue, this pair of yellow to blue. Here also this connector will be, you can't kept it back side or something like that. Once you insert it properly, then only this locking will goes on. Okay, so this blue to this red with the yellow. Okay, So these 3 intermediate connections is for these connections for headlight cum horn. Okay, and the remaining set we can this is for center locking, and remaining will be the self steady wire, and you can kept it free, and this will be the speed assist sensor connections. Once you inserted, once you every fitting will be done, you need to insert this. Okay, this red, black and blue. Okay, now I am disconnecting. So now these are all the connections. All the connections are made easily. You no need any qualification or EV mechanic required. Okay, you can fit it either school students can work with these kits. Okay, so if you are school going kids, you can make use of this kit, and you can buy from our online store www.swesonlinestore.com to drive your normal cycle to an electrical cycle. Okay, so now let's move on to the final final segment. So that is testing and demo. So in the testing and demo, we providing you 36 voltage as an input voltage, and here we are going to test this sub motor. Okay, now let's move on to the video. So I am just turning on this the throttle power key switch. So here the battery will be full here. Okay, so now I am accelerating one by one. Okay, you need to give the acceleration step by step. So step by step acceleration can be made. So from starting from slow to high. Okay, you can see I am giving the full acceleration. You can see the motor rotation also. And once if we apply the brake, the motor gets. So if we applying the brake, the motor gets off and it continues. Okay, so maximum acceleration we have raised. So here it will be the digital tachometer we are already using. So here the light indicates it can automatically sensing the speed of the motor. So here we have mentioned here, so you can see. So you can find in the meter, so it coming 228, that is 228 that is 228 rpm the motor will work. So the speed will be around 20 to 25 km will be achieved depending on the voltages. Okay, so this is the 24 volt 350 watts and 36 volt 350 watts bicycle hub motor conversion kit. So okay, you can easily check with the proof. Okay, no one is giving the proof of motor is working, but in Sri Electronics each and every kit will be tested and distributed through our customer end. Okay, 228 rpm. Okay, so that's all about this testing and demo. So if you want, you can give 24 volt also, it can work. Okay, so you can place an order through our online store and with the easy EMI option. So we are happy to introduce our batteries. So many of the peoples are asking. So we previously we are selling only the bicycle conversion kit as well as the conversion kit for bike and scooty models, and chain drive kits we are moved. So right now we launched the battery for bicycle as well as for e-bike categories. So right now starting from 24 volt, 36 volt, 48 volt and as well as 60 volt we have the battery variants. Okay, starting from we have two variants of batteries. So that is lithium ion batteries we have, and also lithium peroxide batteries we have. So you can visit our website, and only each and every AH, the AH, how the AH can be selected, it is all depends on the customer usages. So if you want to drive 20 to 30 km per day, you need to select the battery AH accordingly. Okay, so the AH all depends on the usage of your vehicle every day. Okay, so your usage will be less, you can select for the minimum AH battery ranges. So and also if you are having a wide range of the kit usage, So if you going for maximum mileage, you can utilize these the maximum kilometer will be achieved accordingly. Okay. So in our online website, we have mentioned each and every age how much kilometer will be achieved according to the kits. According to the speed also it may vary. So it is all an approximate kilometers. So you can prejudge and you can buy it and you can fit it accordingly. So we have both the variant like a soft case and as well as hard cases or batteries are available, and also we have for the bike kind of we have soft pack, and as well as with box we have the battery variants. Okay, so you can make use of our website. Either you are going to buy or not, you can easily go and check our website www.swesonlinestore.com. Then only you can easily understood whether Sri Electronics will price, how the rock bottom price we are giving for each and every model. So the BLDC motor kits, cycle kits, and also the retrofit kind of Activa models, and as well as we giving the fully electrical conversion kits, 2000 watts bike conversion kits, 16 inch XL Super, 17 inch, 18 inch for the Splendor bikes, Platina, Passion Pro, all the models we have, and also we have 2000 watts of motor for alloy wheel disc brake motor. So that is for retrofitting. So all the types of e-vehicle and e-vehicle accessories you can contact Sri Electronics and Embedded Solutions. So thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.